Sure. My name is Dr. Kristen Gosselink. I'm an associate professor in biological sciences, and that's one of many hats that I wear. So I'm also a campus director for a program called A Prime Time, which is an accelerated pre-med program, and I'm also a half-time associate dean in the College of Science. So science as just a general concept, I think, really has to do with understanding how and why things happen. And so that can really be applied to a number of different fields. So we have people on campus that do political science, for example, in addition to like the biological sciences or chemistry or physics, so the what we call the hard sciences. Engineering is also a science, right? And so it's a really broad-based concept. It really has to do with how and why things happen. So I'm a neuroscientist. I'm part of a pretty large interdisciplinary neuroscience group. My research specifically deals with how stress is processed in the brain and how chronic stress affects a lot of different health outcomes. So we have projects in the lab that are really broad. Some deal with addiction, some deal with sex or age differences in stress responses, some deal with cancer, some deal with memory, and I'm now working with a new group looking at the effects of obesity on stress responses and neuroscience. So it's really all based in the brain. It's all neuroscience and stress responses, but has a lot of different potential outcomes. I think being a woman in science is really key because of the number of women and girls going into science and going into college in general. Having that role model, having someone that you can look up to, or someone you feel comfortable confiding in or being advised by. The best thing a student can do to ensure their own success is to stay up to speed, up to date on what's happening, and be prepared for what's happening next. UTEP has kind of a few little known secrets in the types of opportunities we have for the students. And so in terms of undergraduate research, in terms of being able to learn from people who are active in the field, I think we have a lot of strengths that are not really recognized. People shouldn't view UTEP as a second choice or that they got stuck here, because there's a lot of opportunity to have.